Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog in Ankara. Today I and my friend will be showing you guys around Kizilay, but before that we needed to go to PTT to get his residence permit card. PTT is the National Post and Telegraph Directorate of Turkey. Each time we apply for our residence permit card, we usually get it through PTT. Yeah, PTT, but in Turkish it's called PTT. Ankara is full of nice parks, guys. If you ever visit Ankara, you should check out as many as possible. Okay, so at this point I had to look at Google Maps to find our way to Kizilay because we decided to trek instead of taking the bus. And okay, so we go in this direction. So after about 15 minutes of walk, we finally got to Kizilay. Right from here you can see Kizilay just about 100 meters ahead. As you can see, it's a very busy area full of cars. So many people are here, and you just know it when you're in Kizilay. By the way guys, meet my friend Carlos. He's from South Toma, a small island in Africa. He speaks 4 languages including Portuguese, French, Turkish and his mother language. So here we are guys, this is Kizilay. There are 2 main landmarks in Kizilay. One is Kızılay Shopping Mall and the second is Güven Anıtı, the Trust Monument. They are really big, easily noticeable, and they can serve as a very nice place for you to meet your friends when you guys get lost. Just beside Güven Anıtı is Güven Park, a very nice park, very nice park. It's a very nice place to relax, and because of the fountain there you get to see a lot of birds and so many people just, you know, I don't know, but it's very good to relax. Just like every city has its center, Kizilay is the center of Ankara. From here you can get a bus to anywhere you want to go in Ankara. It is the hub of transportation. Kızılay Alışveriş Merkezi, popularly known as AVM. Yeah, it is AVM, but in Turkish we say AVM. What you're currently seeing is the front of Kızılay Shopping Mall. This is where we get to meet ourselves. Anytime you want to meet with a friend, this is where you get to meet each other because it is easily accessible. You have the metro in front of it, and you can't get lost from here. So by waiting in front of this building, you can easily get to meet your friends in Kizilay. Kızılay Shopping Mall is a quite unique mall. It includes different kinds of stores including Nike, Adidas, Loft, Mavi, and other different brands. In Kizilay Mall, there are about 8 stores in total. The first 6 contain different stores where you can get basic needs like electronics, homewares, and cosmetics. The remaining 2 above are for different restaurants and cafes, so when you get tired, you can easily grab a coffee or eat something nice. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, we could not sit in any of the cafes or restaurants. They were all closed, and there was little to just show you guys. But hopefully, after the pandemic, we'll take a better vlog and show you clearly how Kizilay is. And that brings us to the end of my little vlog about Kızılay Ankara. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload. Alright guys, see you in the next one.